Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of She Makes Club, and this is part of our 31-day She Makes Her Life journey. And I am doing some prep work and I'm wanting to walk you through some of the things that I'll be sharing and doing inside 31 days, and then you can use these smaller videos as reference as you're going through creating your album, telling your story, and doing all those fun things. So one of the elements that we're utilizing in this particular 31 days is the gift of music. So I made an entire playlist that's inside the resources for 31 days, and there's a song or two that coordinates with each day's theme in some way or another. But of course, always find music that speaks to your heart, encourages you, motivates you, and feeds your soul. That's sort of the point. So one of the things that I wanted to show you how I'm making are these little pocket cards with a Spotify code. So that way, as we're going through week by week, I kind of have a song that I can have in the background while I'm doing my projects or answering questions or whatever it would be, to be able to just play right from my phone. So these are all scannable inside Spotify codes that'll then immediately play these songs. So I thought it'd be really cool to have them to go right in some of my pocket pages and the theme that I have for each week. So one will go here, then I'll have my title word and different things like that in my album throughout the whole month of May. So let me just show you how I made these really quickly. They're very simple. There might be an even easier way than I'm showing you. To be fully fair and honest, this is just the way it worked for me. So one of the things that I created as a download are these little cards that then you can utilize and put your codes in or whatever you want to do if you choose to do so. So they're designed as 3x4 cards. So you would print it out on a 4x6 photo paper or whatever it would be, and then cut it in half, and then it can go in your album. So right now what you're looking at is the Spotify codes website. And I'm going to just show you by going into Spotify first. So this is my Spotify app that I have on my computer. I have it on my phone. I have it all those different places. I'm going to search for the other song that I want. So I know I want a song by Anthem Lights. And it's Be Thou... Okay, so Hymns Medley has Amazing Grace, Be Thou My Vision, Come Thou Fount, and I Need Thee Every Hour. This is one of my favorites. So this is what I'm going to grab, this song. I'm going to click on these three dots here where it says share. I'm going to then click on the copy song link. Okay, so it's copied to my clipboard. I'm going to also just screen grab this little area right here. So I'm going to just do area to file for my screen grabber. And I just want it to be just a smidgen bigger. Okay, so this is my Anthem Lights. I'm going to save it. Medley pick. I just missed the E. Medley pick. Save that. I already have the code copied. I'm going to exit out of there, and I'm coming over to spotifycodes.com. And in this little bar here, I'm just going to paste in that new code. So then I'm going to click Get Code. Now, interestingly, this doesn't have the title, and I'm wondering if I did album instead. You want to make sure that when you click on it, yeah, copy song link. That's what I did. So for some reason, it's not bringing up with the title, but I'm going to still go with it. Okay. We're going to utilize it anyway. So I'm going to grab another screen grab, area to file. Super simple. This is Anthem Lights Medley, and this is the code. So I'm saving that. All right. I'm going to have to figure out I picked the hardest one to show you all live, and that's okay. That's all right. So I already made these two. We're just going to click on one. I'm doing this in PicMonkey, so really, really easy. And I made this as a copy, so this is going to be, so I don't get it confused, This is for week 3 for me. Now you can do the same thing and make it completely your own, or I'll give you copies of the ones I actually made if you want to use these same songs inside the 31-day She Makes Her Life Journey resources page or Facebook group, either one. Okay, so I just have these all layered up as I put the album cover on top of that image you saw me grab. And I'm going to leave that one there for a minute so I can try to match that font, since I have a weird one. Maybe it's a good thing, because then I can show you what to do if you happen to grab one that doesn't have the font. All right, and I think that's saved to my desktop. So we're going to do the Anthem Lights code first. And I forgot, I could have grabbed both of them right away. Anthem Light code, and then pick. All right, so then I'm just going to drag it over here. It's pretty simple, actually really simple. I'm going to drag it over. I want these guys to sort of line up the best that I can so that they're consistent throughout, which will be pretty easy. And then I'm going to grab the album cover, because I'm actually using the album covers as opposed to putting in a custom picture of some sort like you would do with like the frames if you were making a Spotify frame. I just want it a smidgen smaller, so I'm going to zoom in just so I can kind of see where my line actually is. Man, there we go. There we go. That's close enough. Now I'm going to grab some text, and I'm going to type in hymns medley, and I'm gonna have to see what kind of font comes close. I want it consistent, but I also recognize this isn't going to be perfect because this isn't the exact same font situation. And then I'm going to type in Anthem Lights. Okay. Whoo, see? I'm showing you all the tricks today. I'll line that up right underneath. Okay, so again, close, not exact. I'm fine with it. We're all good. All right, so you can see how that's lined up. Now I'm just going to get rid of that. And I'm going to print this out. So this is my day 3. So I can use the other for other song lyrics or whatever it would be. I'll give that a save. And then I'm going to print it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to print it on my paper or my PhotoMate. The Epson PictureMate 400. PM400 is what we're using. And I need to just make sure it's on the 4x6. That'll work. And then print. And then I have these good to go. So it'll print out like this. And then I'm going to cut them. And again, this is for all of the 5 weeks of May. I have a song a week for the entire 5 weeks. So if we're starting with, I didn't cut that one yet. That's fine. We'll just put them in. And then this will be part of, I'll be doing a little walkthrough setup video, the process of how I'm getting things ready to share with everyone live during the 31 days of May, starting May 1st, 2022. Can't wait to make with you. Enjoy the moments. Bye-bye.